Well, we've needed rain, and by golly, looks like we've gotten it. There's my ice chest floated out there. Look at this. Amazing. I mean, yeah, deep, but amazing. It just now starting to pour again. Look at the fields, look like lakes. This is the front yard. About a quarter way up on the tires. Dude got the boat over there if we do need it to get out of here. I hope we don't need it that bad, but crazy stuff. All right, you all have a nice Tuesday. And I also want to say this Tuesday morning, turn around, don't drown. Right now, I'm listening to the police scanner, and there's 15 water rescues going on right now in the city of Abilene. So, everyone turn around, don't drown, and be careful. Later, y'all.